this video I'm gonna show you how to enable energy saving mode on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button on our pilot. It's located right here. Simply press on it once and then navigate this menu by pressing the arrows in the middle of our pilot right here. So now let's navigate to the settings and press OK. From here go to the right and find System. Press OK and go to the left. Find Picture and then scroll down till you see the energy saving mode. Now in order to enable it, simply press the right arrow key and then press it again, and you can change it to minimum, medium, auto or screen off, but then the screen will disable, so let's not do that. And then to actually reverse it, simply move the left arrow key and find Custom, and you can change the black light as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.